In the last video, we discussed about different data types or fundamental data types. Now we're going to focus only on the numeric types, which is the integer or the int and float. Let's create a new REPL first. In Python, we can identify if the number is numeric or int or float by using the print and then type, and then let's say number 6, and then hit the run, and it will tell us, the interpreter will tell us what type of data type is that, the 6 I mean. So let's make another one. So print and then type. We can make an operations inside of that. Let's say type 2 minus 4, and let's see what is the result of after the operation of 2 minus 4, and let's go and hit run. Okay, so the answer is negative, even it's negative 2, so it's still int type. So let's create another example. Let's say print type 2 and then multiply by 3, or 2 asterisk 3, and that's asterisk is used for multiplications. And let's see what is the result. So it's also an int because it's a whole number. So let's make another one. Print type 2, and then we're gonna use division. So 2 divided by 4, so we know the answer will be decimal point, and let's see how it identify it. So it says that it's a float. Okay, let's go on some other examples on mathematical operations like math functions. Okay, we can say exponent. We can use floor divisions and the modulus. Okay, for the next one, let's try the exponents. How to get the exponent? Let's say 2 and then double asterisk 3, so that is the Python to get the exponent. Okay, let's see what is the result of this. So 2 the exponent of 3, and then hit the run, and the result will be 8. Let's try a bigger one exponent. Let's say print 2 and then to the exponent of, let's say, 35. So these are big numbers, and hit run. Okay, so that's the out. Okay, for the next one, let's go and use the floor divisions, where the quotients, it will remove the decimal number. It got only the whole quotients. So let's say print and then double backslash. Okay, and that is a floor division. So the division is just only 1, but for the floor division, it will remove or take off the remainder. That is a floor division, and it's no remainder in here. But for division, it will get the decimal point. So let's see and run. So the result is 0. Okay, it will get only the floor, the quotient. And let's say one more example, and let's say print 7 floor divisions by 9, and still 0. Okay, let's change the number. Let's say 9 and 4, and it's 2. Okay, even though it has a decimal remainder, it has a remainder, but it will not display it. So we're gonna use the modulus next. So modulus, it will get the remainder. Okay, while the floor division is the quotient. Okay, but for the modulus, it only display the remainder. We call that some modulus. So let's say print, then 9 mode by 4, and let's see what is the remainder of the run, and 1. So 9 mode by 4, so the remainder is 1 because 9 divided by 4 is 8, so the remainder is 1. So let's try another example. So 9 print mode 25 mode by, let's say, 8. Oh yeah, let's try 8. And then run. So still 1. The remainder is 1 because it was 25 divided by 8 is 3, but the answer is 24, but it has a remainder of 1. And how about the mixing of numeric and str or string? So let's create an example of the example in a print functions. There is a numeric and there's a string, because in Python they cannot mix together numeric and string, and you will have a problem. So there is a process, okay, you have a conversion before it will accept the two different data types. Okay, let's make an example like asking how old are you, and there's a result that it will get the string and the age that the user put in. So let's say age equals to int. Okay, we're gonna use the input function. Okay, input function. Remember the last week examples that you created or you made in our exercise. Then input, how old are you? And then int, it means whatever the value how old are you, whatever the number that the user type, it will be converted as int. Okay, okay, and then wrong, I will change to age rather. So age is equals to int, okay, inside the parentheses, because all that goes that. So make it sure, okay, be careful about the bracket, okay, making sure that it has a balance. Okay, when you have an open, you have two open, and then you have making sure that you have a two closed. Then print your age will be, and this one is a string. Okay, in Python you cannot put together the number and string. It could be a mess up, it will have a problem, so you have to convert. So separate, okay, by comma, and that is a string. Then for the numeric, so the age, and then plus 10. Let's say we will tell the age how old you will be after 10 years. So there's an operation here, so it will add the age that the user input, and then it plus 10 years. So here there's an age plus 10, and then we have the open and close, and that data type will be converted as int. Okay, and after that is integer already, then we have to convert as a string. Okay, so that it have your age will be is a string, and the result of adding age plus 10 will be converted as string 2. Okay, and I can add another one, so then separated by comma, and on 2040. Say it, run, and let's see if it works or not. How old are you? Let's say I type 30, so your age will be, okay, 40 on 2030. Sorry, I told you on 2040, it's rather 2030. Okay, let's create another example. Hope that you understand this. Again, there will be a same data types in a print function. Okay, it will be messed up if you have a print, you're using the print with a str and int. Another example, we're gonna use a float. Let's say the price equals to, now we will use the float data type. Okay, float, how much each bottle of soda. I think I missed the input here, so I'm gonna write the input and then open, and then I maybe close it. Making sure that double check your in the closing and the opening. So print, and then the total price for, let's say 24. Okay, 24 bottles are, okay, here we separate it in comma, and we will use the operations that we are going to multiply the price for each bottle of soda to 24. So we're gonna say price and then must multiply or asterisk 24, and we have to open and close that, open and close, and then this will be converted first as int. Okay, because we cannot use in operation the string to make it sure it's converted first to int, either or float. So, and then before we convert it as string. Okay, there's a, and then run. Okay, there's a problem here. So it read the how old are you? Okay, because the age, I have to, this one I have to put a sharp here, so it will not read. So stop and then run again, so it will not read this code. So how much each bottle of soda? And then let's say 12.35. So the total price for 24 bottles are 296. Oh, there's a, yeah, 296. There's no decimal point. Oh yeah, sorry, because it is int. Okay, it should be, I can change to float, so it has a decimal number when it calculates. So I change to float and then run, and then how much each bottle of soda? Let's say 35.15. Then the total price for 24 bottles are, so there's a decimal point. Now on the later, we will discuss how to control the precisions, or how can we control the number of decimal numbers. And I hope that you understand this video. If you have some questions, and just give me a message or send me a message or a comment. And that's all for this video. Okay, to sum up, so by using print type, we can identify if the data type is int, float, and also we discuss about how some mathematical operations like divisions, multiplication, exponent, floor divisions, and modulus, and also converting integer or float or a numeric inside the print. So again, make it it should be clear to you that you cannot mix string and numeric in a print function. Okay, either you have to convert all the numeric into an string, so it will display and you will not have a problem.